Want to learn how to draw but don't know where to start? Are you frustrated with your slow progress and feel like you've hit a wall? This free drawing course will guide you through a series of fun and easy tutorials which will develop your drawing skills quickly. If you're a seasoned artist, this course could be a great refresher. You might even learn something new. Hi, my name is Norma and today we're going to talk about Learn to Draw for Adults. In this video, I'll tell you all about this fun pen and ink and pencil drawing course created by Dennis and Nolan Clark. These two experienced art instructors have taught this course in real life to thousands of students just like you. Now you can enjoy this course for free from the comfort of your own home. If you would like to take a peek, I have included a link in the description box below this video on where you can get this free drawing course. On the site you will find hundreds of online art classes. There are also classes in oil painting, watercolor painting, acrylic painting and pastel drawing. There are even classes in lesser-known art forms like scratchboard drawing. Most lessons have a text tutorial and a narrated time-lapse video for you to follow. Dennis and Nolan Clark adds new free tutorials every week. If you sign up to their mailing list, you will get occasional round-up email of new tutorials added to the site. If you prefer to paint or draw along, then you can become a VIP member which will give you access to over 400 paint along and draw along art classes and courses. New classes are added monthly so there are always plenty of subjects to choose from. Nolan and Dennis are amazing, and the members of the VIP section are the best group of people I have ever known. In case you are interested, I also included a link below this video where you can get the VIP membership for as low as $5. If you suck at drawing at your age, don't worry, you're not alone. Drawing is a skill you can master at any age. When you are ready, you can learn the basics of drawing by taking this free online drawing class. Dennis and Nolan offers helpful instruction for beginning artists, and even for intermediate or advanced levels. The best part is that, if you use the web as your art instructor, you can log on to learn no matter when you please or no matter where you are.